At Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, Craftsman Storage System has installed the VStore facility. Earlier, the central pharmacy operated with a completely manual system. Staff had to walk through long racks, searching for medicines, checking labels, and locating the right items. This was time-consuming, tedious, and required multiple people to manage daily operations. Delays were common, and critical time was lost during medicine retrieval. But after the installation of VStore, everything has transformed. Now, the system brings the goods to the person making picking and storing medicines extremely easy and efficient. A single operator can run the entire machine and retrieve medicines quickly. The temperature-controlled chamber protects the shelf life of medicines, ensuring quality and safety. The pharmacy now saves time, reduces manpower, and achieves higher productivity with efficient floor space utilization. VStore is a game changer in healthcare, delivering accuracy, speed, and reliability. If you want to transform your central store and pharmacy too, connect with our experts.